This is Renditions of the Awakening, a game I've been working on for 2.8 years, and it's still got a long way to go, but I'm excited to show it to you anyway. It's a first-person strategy game where you take over the whole world, you kill everybody, kill all the buildings too, and you do it by summoning demons. This is a portal. You find portals just across the level. Speak 3 words from the demon language. These are all adjectives filling a loot table describing the kind of demon you want. Then the demon will come out of the portal and be yours to control. Except control's the wrong word, because I don't let you give them orders in any way. No commands, no nothing. They all do whatever they want to do at all times. Demons have very strong personalities, and they're not actually yours. They're just summoned by you, so they don't kill you because when you die, then they have to go back to Demon Land. That's the end of the fun. And what that means is if the demons get mad, then they'll just attack you anyway. Quit your army in basically the worst way possible, because that's what I think they would do. Right now we have 8 different demons that can be summoned. I want to have a lot more. It only takes me about 50 hours to make a new one, so the final game can have plenty. And the portal makes it so that I don't even have to really balance the demon. We can have completely overpowered demons too, and it's all good. The people that we're killing are trying to live peaceful lives, just do basic AI behaviors, like go to work, go home, say hi to each other, flirt with people who are not their spouse, and get caught and have fights sometimes, basic stuff. Until they realize that they're being attacked by demons. Then they will try to warn each other, escape, survive, make it to that keep in the back of the level over there, and have the keep coordinate them and try to resist you. Once the keep's gotten a couple eyewitnesses, it will actually start taking action. It'll send runners to the map exits to bring in reinforcements, and it'll send attack squads looking for the demons trying to solve the problem. Which means we've got 2 main strategies, because the attack squads don't just know where demons are, they will go where the witnesses last saw demons. So if you're going for a stealthy approach and too many people get away from you, then you can just take your army to the other side of the map and then dodge the attackers, try to attack the keep after it's launched attackers where you are not. Or the other strategy that I'm going for is like a loud and proud approach, where you just summon all the demons you can find, build a huge army, don't be scared of witnesses getting away, and handle the attack squads with ease, but then your main problem won't be the people trying to stop you, it'll be the demons that you have to take care of now. Demons need food, sleep, and entertainment, and if you run out of any of the 3, like you summon more demons than you can actually feed, then you're likely to see them get angry, and when they get angry, they quit your army and just go ham. And it's pretty fun in general. This is my tutorial level for my campaign, and it's also my demo. So as a good demo, it's got a win condition if you kill the keep in the back, plus the mini-boss that comes out of it, and win the rest of the fight, then you win, and you'll get a score. And for the final campaign, I'm not going to be so strict, but we still got at least a year to go before we make it to that point, to an early access point. But that's okay, I'm still working on it every day, having lots of fun, and I'm looking forward to seeing you at PAX.